Morning, Mike.
Hey,
What are you looking at?
I just finished setting up my 4K Defender security system.
Wow, who'd you get to help you set that up?
I did. It's a complete do-it-yourself system. So I set up the cameras, connected some wires, and then downloaded the Defender 24/7 app. And within minutes, I can watch the live stream in 4K resolution right on my phone.
Wow, that's some CSI caliber video surveillance.
I know, right? Here, check this out. Check out the detail when I zoom in. Isn't that beautiful?
What do the monthly fees cost you?
That's actually one of the reasons I chose Defender. You only pay once and get all the benefits of a professional system without any contracts or monthly fees. You know, the kicker? The systems connection? Private and secure. But you know what I like most actually is how reliable these push notifications are. You set up activity zones and you only get notified when there's motion in those areas.
Wow.
Actually, I got one just before you came in this morning. Let's take a look at that.
Oh, you know what? We don't need to look at that one because I'm pretty sure it's just me walking into the office like I do every morning. See? Walking into the office.
That's my donut on the floor. I'm gonna share this with everyone.
Karen, I just ate mine.
5-second rule, it's a thing.